Hey Camp Hope. Okay, so today we're going to make our Sharpie shirt. So here's how you do it. And these are the only supplies you need for a Sharpie shirt, which is awesome. So you just need your rubber bands. Got those. You need your markers that you were in your pack. You might have a different pack in different colors, but if you have different permanent markers, definitely make sure you're using permanent markers. So I send out Sharpie markers, but actually the Bic markers are great, the permanent Bic markers. So if you have those are great too. We call them Sharpie shirts just because that's what they are. So it's a permanent marker shirt, and I have my markers and I have my white shirt. Now, I'm at work and I don't have my Camp Hope shirt with me, but you have a white Camp Hope shirt in your bag. So that is what you're going to start with. And this is what your shirt will look like when you're done. So, whoops, pretty cool colors, pretty craziness. I'm trying to show it with my thing still. So let me do this really quick and show you what the whole shirt looks like. So that's how your Sharpie shirt can look. And you can add more color or less color or whatever, but it kind of looks like an array of fireworks on your shirt. So pretty cool, but yours will have your Camp Hope logo on it. I just don't have my Camp Hope logo shirt here. So here's how we start. I'm going to set that aside. So you take your shirt, your white shirt, and you're going to lay it out on the table. And then you're going to just start crunching it together, gathering pieces, okay? And then as you gather pieces, you're going to grab a rubber band and tie around that with your rubber band in different areas. And it really doesn't matter. You just need to crunch it together, crumple it together, I guess is a better term. So crumpling it together, making lots of folds. That's what's going to make the cool colors, is lots of folds. So pull spots. You can pull different spots. You can twist if you'd like. Some of them look really cool when they're twisted. Twist and then grab a rubber band. That one kind of looks like a flower, which is fun. So you're going to twist and put them together, get your rubber bands set. So once you have them set, you're in good shape. So, and then I'm just gonna, I like to make sure that there's some on the sleeves of the shirt. So if you see that one, I really didn't take a lot of time and make it super special, but okay. And then I'm gonna actually pull all of that together. So I got a little bit of a wider rubber band to pull all of these together. So if you need help, you can grab a parent or an older sibling. They might help you a little bit on that. But pull that shirt together in different ways, and as long as it's folded in different little spots, you're in good shape. So a couple more and we can get started then on the fun part. We are started, but we want to get started on the fun part, which is actually coloring it. So, all right, how's it looking? Kind of crazy, huh? So I'm gonna grab this spot right here. So it should just be a wadded mess of shirt when you're done, okay? So then you're gonna take your markers and you're gonna start coloring. Just color. Oops, sorry, gotta get you on the screen here. Color. The thing I like to do is push down into the folds and make sure that this color gets down inside the folds pretty well. So take different colors. If you like a pattern of colors, you can. If you want to use just a couple, or if you need to use lots more and you have some more Sharpies at home, go right ahead and do that. So I'm going to make sure that there's a big spot of yellow here. There. And keep moving around, keep getting in the folds, get into different areas, digging down in, dig down in those folds. Okay. And then you can switch color. I'm going to go pink now. So right next to it, keep your colors going. Go right next to it. You can go under your rubber band if you want. If you don't go under your rubber band, you're going to have kind of a cool pattern too. You're going to see those lines in white, which is kind of fun. So you can go right over it. And if you see here, I'm kind of bleeding right into the next one. That's okay. That makes it look like it's more of a tie-dye effect. So that's kind of cool too. to do that. So some areas are going to be big, like you see there won't be any folded look here, but then I'll have folded look over here, and that will show up as kind of that crunchy foldy effect. So you can see where a few marker spots are, but you see in this right here how we've got the areas of white. The areas that I miss are gonna show up like that on your shirt. So pretty cool. So yeah, have fun with your Sharpie shirt. The other thing that I did was I only did the front of this Sharpie shirt. I'll show you. I really just did the front, but you could do the same thing on the back. You don't have to separate them out. So the color did bleed through on the back, but what I would do, again, I just did this for an example, but I would start gathering the back of the shirt and do the exact same with the back, and then you'll have some bleed through on the front too, which gives it just a little more effect and a few dots. If you don't like that, that's fine. Do it however you like. But I would pull this together and start with the back of my shirt too. So, cool thing about the Sharpie shirts are they're done right away. You can set that in, you can put it in the washer and dryer. It doesn't really bleed that much, but I would totally do it with colored. I would wash it with colored in cold water. You can add some salt to the water and that will help set the color. Or you can put it into a little, you can put it into a little tub or a sink and add salt water just with your shirt, and that will help set your color too before you wash it and dry it. So that'll keep your colors set and nice and bright. I would definitely recommend doing salt water wash first before you put it in the washer and dryer. So there you go. That's your Sharpie shirt. I hope you enjoy.